Hello my dear friends, it's Monday, so of course we are gonna have a hit or miss Monday. But in today's video I wanted to cover even more things, so I'm gonna do the full in-depth review of all the colors of the NVGTN dupes, and I'm also gonna talk a little bit about summer sale on Aliexpress. So, some of you have been requesting me to do longer videos. I actually try to make my videos around 10 minutes because I didn't think that people wanted to see longer videos. But of course, if you are requesting longer videos, I will love to do longer videos. So today is going to be a little bit longer video, and we are going to talk about a little bit more things than just a review. So we're going to kick this video off by talking about the NVGTN dupe leggings in all the 13 colors, and also do a little mini review of the shorts, only in 2 colors. Let me know if you do want me to do the review of the shorts in all the colors, because then I can do that as well. So that is the first portion of this video. The second portion of this video, I am going to talk about summer sale on Aliexpress, because this whole week, Monday to Sunday, it's going to be summer sale on Aliexpress. So it's like 11th sale, but this is during the summer time. So I'm going to go through my top 5 things from each store that I'm collaborating with here on Aliexpress, and the things that I think that you should get your hands on if you haven't already, that are really good deals on now, like my favorite things, but like a small amount of my favorite things, because I have so many favorites in so many shops. So that is what we're going to cover today. And this Wednesday I'm going to post a Q&A video that I promised you, so I'm going to collect all the questions that you have asked me, and I'm going to post a Q&A video, so that one is also going to be a little bit longer. And just a little heads up before we dig into this video, I have today actually created a new Instagram account. I will still be available on my old Instagram account, but I have created an account on Instagram that is Denice Andree Lookbook, so Denice Andree _lookbook, where I will post simply just lookbook videos, where I also post the links and if there is any specific deals or anything. And I wanted to do this like an extension of my YouTube channel, because some of you have said that it's hard for you to find the items after I've been reviewing them and things. So here is very easy. You can just go in there and it will be like a catalog with different videos. I will continuously upload there every week, maybe every day, we will see. And you will see different combinations, you will see how I'm mixing and matching. You will see like the try-on part that I'm filming here on my YouTube channel, you will see there, but in shorter like videos, just the videos of the items in the different colors, and you will have the information there. So I hope that you're gonna like it, and make sure to go in and follow that account so you do not miss out on any good content and deals. But now we're gonna dig into the review. So I already did a little mini review of the NVGTN dupe leggings, but a lot of you wanted to see all the colors, so here is the more like in-depth review. But since I've already done that review, and I will link it down below, you already know that I love this leggings, so I just wanted to go through the different colors. So we're going to go through every single color, we're going to take a look how they are looking on, and I'm going to tell you what I think about the color, if it's see-through, if it's squat proof, if it's highly in cellulite, etc. I can say from the 2 colors that I had for the previous video, I love these leggings so much. They are so flattering with the booty contouring and everything. I can say that I think the booty contouring is looking a little bit different in the lighter colors from the darker colors. I think it's a little more like wider in the darker colors and a little slimmer down in the lighter colors. You'll see for yourself, but that is just how I feel like it's appearing. I have the leggings in 2 different sizes. So the first 3 colors I'm going to show you, I have in size extra small, and the other colors I have in size small. I will say that the sizes run very big in size, so size down, because usually I am a size small medium, but in this leggings I am size extra small small. But with that being said, if you are a little smaller, you can still wear the size extra small because they are super stretchy. And on me, I can say size extra small gives me a little more compression, but size small goes on a little more squat proof. So it depends what you prefer the most. So the first blue pair of leggings is this that I had for the previous review. You can see that they are squat proof when you're squatting in front of my daylight, but when squatting in front of all my studio light, they do not look see-through, but I will say they are not as opaque as in the normal daylight. They are giving me compression and hiding cellulite, and since they are in size extra small, they are giving me compression. I think in size small they would even be 100% squat proof in my studio light. And the same thing goes with this green color. I also have this in size extra small, and the same thing goes here. When I'm squatting in normal daylight, they are squat proof, so I do not have any problem with them wearing them in the gym, because in the gym you do not have all the studio lights right in front of them. The other green color that I also have in size extra small, and I really like this color. It's super flattering, and I love the high waist and the contouring and everything. It really like booms out at the booty and carve out your legs and everything. And all of them are long enough in the legs for me, both in size extra small and in size small, so that is a huge plus. This gray color, I think it's the color that I have been using the most. I have been bicycling in this, I've been working out in this, I've been doing running in them, I've been doing so many different type of workouts, and I've had this leggings for maybe 3 weeks now, but I think I've used it like already like 6 or 7 times. And we're gonna have 2 blue colors. So the first one is more like an ocean blue color, not like a deep ocean blue, a little more subtle than the other color I'm going to show you right after. The same thing here, I have it in size small, high waist on me, no camel toe or anything. I do not see any cellulite peeking through in this color, and I do not feel like it's straight up see-through, but when I'm squatting you can tend to see a little bit shining through. It's not 100% squat proof, but it's not super sheer either. This one is a little more like deep ocean blue, a little more like turquoise almost. The same thing goes with this green color. I will say it's not super squat proof, but it's not straight up see-through either. And this purple like lilac color, I really like this one. It reminds me of the old Gymshark Energy Seamless lilac color. That one wasn't squat proof either, and this one is not 100% squat proof either. A little bit of cellulite is peeking through in this color, but it's still this kind of marl fabric, so it's not like shining through completely. What goes for this purple color instead, I will say you do not see any cellulite at all in this color, so you definitely have more opaque feeling here. Still, they do not go on 100% squat proof in my studio light, but in normal daylight they are squat proof. So I think that I can claim that they are squat proof, at least in normal daylight. And when it goes for this orange color, this is the only color that I feel that is see-through. So these are not squat proof and they are a little bit see-through. Honestly, I do not feel 100% comfortable in this, so maybe I wouldn't recommend this color so much. We have 3 different pink colors, and the first is a little more deep pink, which I really like this one. Same thing here, this one goes on squat proof in normal daylight on me, but in studio light it looks a little bit sheer. And then we have a little more like a dusty pink color, and the same thing here. I will say this is maybe like 90% squat proof in normal daylight, and the marl is covering up the cellulite, so you do not see any cellulite shining through in this either, so it's also super pretty. And the last one is a little more like vibrant pink color, so the other one is a little more dusty pink and this one is a little more vibrant pink color. And the same thing here as for the other bright colors. They are maybe not 100% squat proof, but this one is not straight up see-through either, so I do not feel uncomfortable, to be honest. But maybe I wouldn't go and do deep squats in this one. So there you had all the different colors. I just want to show you some other details, like here in the upper part of the leggings you have the V shape in the back, and then you have the contouring underneath here, and you have the contouring going along the legs as well. So my overall opinions is that I can say for all the darker colors, I will say they are to die for. They are so gorgeous, they are squat proof, they are just amazing. What goes for the lighter colors, I will say all of them are fun pops of colors, and I will still say that I recommend them even though they are not 100% squat proof, because they have everything else that you want from a pair of leggings. It's just the orange color that I maybe will say that I wouldn't recommend, since it's a little bit see-through, but that is the only color. The other ones, they are all pretty, and I mean, you do not need to do squats in all leggings that you own. You can still do upper body workouts, at least that is my opinion, but I've changed my mind a little bit also. I used to be like, if they are not squat proof, I'm not gonna use them, but I have changed my mind. I mean, I still go and do upper body workouts, running. I do other type of workouts. I do not always go and do squats, and they are not see-through, so it's not like you can see everything shining through. So in my opinion, I really love these leggings. You're gonna see me wear them a lot because they're just amazing. I love them. Love, 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 love these leggings. And what goes for the shorts, I will say the shorts is the same as the leggings, at least for the two colors that I have. I have two different sizes, so I have the gray in size medium and this green in size small. And I will say that the leggings runs smaller in size, so size small equals a size extra small in the leggings, and size medium equals a size small in the leggings. The leggings are big in size, so size down one size. The shorts are true to size, so you can go for your normal size here. I also want to say that even if you're a size large, you can go for the size medium because they are also super stretchy. All the leggings and the shorts are very forgiving in the size. You can stretch them out so much because you have so much stretch in them. So they are super forgiving in the size. You do not have to worry about that. So I think that covers everything for the Navigate and Dupe leggings and shorts. As I said, let me know if you do want to see a more in-depth review video of the shorts. But what goes for those, that was everything that I have for today. So now we have to talk about the summer sale. So we have summer sale going on Aliexpress. So now is the time for you to save a little extra money if you do want to order some things from Aliexpress. So I'm going to quickly just go through my top 5 things that I can recommend from Iwuparty, Monster Store and Shinbene Store, the old Color Value store. And the reason why I wanted to do this is because I get so many questions all the time, like which are your favorite items from this store and from this store. And to be honest, it's so hard to say because I have so many different favorites. But I have some that is like now when it's going on sale, I feel like maybe if you have thought about this, you should get your hands on it. So we start with Shinbene Store. The first thing that oh my god, I just recommend so much is this top that is just amazing, and it's now $14.10 on the summer sale. And I can just say that I haven't reviewed this one yet. I'm gonna review it on this Saturday's video, but I can just say that it's freaking amazing. This is rising up to my #1 top. The only reason why I wanted to review it is because it has so many orders and so many good reviews, and I can just say that I totally agree. They're just amazing. And you can wear this inside the gym, outside the gym. You have so many different purposes. They're just the bomb, and I love them so much. So definitely go and check it out. And the next thing that I haven't reviewed yet that I also just discovered is this shorts from Shinbene, and they are now $15.44 on the summer sale, and they're just amazing. It's straight up Lululemon dupes, and the quality is just perfect. So I'm going to do a review of them very, very soon, but they are absolutely something worth your money for sure. And the same thing goes with the super high waist updated 2.0 leggings with longer legs and higher waist. I can say they are true to size, just amazing. They fit me like a glove. They are long enough in the legs, super high waist. They are just amazing. Squat proof also. Even in the black color, they are squat proof. Just amazing. And on this summer sale, it's $23.99, so I definitely recommend them also. You're gonna have my review on them this Saturday, but if you cannot wait, definitely recommend them. The next thing is this soft pants that I have been living in since I discovered them, and on the summer sale it's $20.99, so it's a really good price, and I definitely recommend them. I've been talking about this so many times, but I just quickly want to mention it here because I just love them so much. And the last thing, I've been talking about this so many times also, is this crop tops. They are now $18.16 on the summer sale. I know that they are around $20 normally, so you can save yourself some good bucks here. And they're just amazing. If you haven't seen the review of them, shame on you, because they are just crop tops that you cannot miss out on. You do not need to wear a bra underneath this. You have high support without wearing a bra underneath this crop top. It's just amazing. Recommend it, you will not be sorry. So next up, we're going to talk about my 5 things that I recommend for the summer sale from Iwuparty. So first we have this leggings that I've been raving about, the non-front seam, high waist, long enough in the legs leggings that I am dying for. I love them. I even wear the black pair to my everyday work, like every single day. I've been wearing them every day for weeks now, and they are still going strong. I mean, I love them. Definitely recommend them, and they are just $15.60 on the summer sale. That is insane. If I were you, I will get one of each color because they are the bomb, I promise you that. The other things that I really love is the scrunchy booty V-shaped leggings that are now $10.39. That is just outrageous for that kind of quality, because the quality of those are really high. And we also have the other pair of scrunchy booty leggings that is not V-shaped but a little higher waist with some texture, and those are $12.30. I also love these leggings so much, so definitely recommend them. Good quality, and the price is like, I mean, it's so low, it's crazy. Some other things that I haven't reviewed yet is this scrunchy booty seamless leggings, but I've been trying them out and I've been hinting on them on my Instagram, both my normal Instagram and my lookbook Instagram, and they are just wow, I did not expect this. You're gonna have a review next Monday on them. If you do want to go ahead and buy them before that, you're not gonna be disappointed. And you get the leggings for $10.59 and you get the full set for $20.28. That is ridiculous. That is so much value for the money. It's insane. I cannot wait to film the review on those because they're just amazing. And then I have a tie because I have two other sets from Iwuparty that are seamless sets that I really love, that are now on very good deals. The first one is the I Can, I Will sets. Those are very colorful. I just love them. I just had to throw it in there. And I also just have to throw in my other little favorite set, is the one shoulder set that comes in different colors. That is also now $21.56. It's so good price. And then lastly, it's Monster store. And first of all, of course, I recommend the NVGTN dupe that I just talked about in this video. Some other items that I highly recommend you to get now from the Monster store that is just key in my collections are the Geo leggings, the Gymshark dupes. Those are just amazing, and if you haven't got your hands on them already, you need to try them out. The same thing with the Vital shorts set that comes with the t-shirt and the shorts. They are also amazing. I've been doing hot yoga in them so many times now, and I just love those sets. They are just so damn pretty. Another thing is my Ride or Die leggings, I have to say. These have been my favorite, like one of my favorite leggings for so long now. And they have the cutout holes in the back, and they have like everything you want from a pair of leggings. I love them. They are just perfect. Absolutely recommend them. And the last thing from Monster store that I recommend you to get on the summer sale is their ombre sets that I reviewed. They are also just amazing. I love both the top and the same thing here. You do not need to wear a bra underneath this crop top, and these leggings are just so pretty. So I absolutely love them, and they're just amazing. So I just wanted to throw it out there. So there, my friends, you had some top favorite items for the summer sale. So I hope that you did appreciate it, and I will link everything down below for you so you can check it out. So my friends, here you had a little longer video this time. I hope that you like it. Let me know down below if you do like my shorter versions or if you do like my longer videos, and I will do what you request. I cannot please everyone, but at least some of you. So my friends, I hope you're gonna have a wonderful week, and I hope that you're gonna check in on my Q&A this Wednesday. And with that being said, my friends, thank you so much for watching. Thumbs up, subscribe. I see you in my next one. Bye!